Hi everyone. So now let's continue our discussion on predicate logic. And now we will discuss about the quantifiers. Okay, so in our previous discussion, we have already talked about the new features for predicate logic, which are sara ganito, variables, then our predicate, and lastly, our quantifiers. So we already have talked about our predicate and variables, and this time we will have quantifiers. So what are quantifiers? So we need them to express the meaning of English words including all, diba? All and some. So all men are mortal. Some cats do not have fur. Then, the two most important quantifiers are this universal quantifier, which is read as for all, and the symbol is this. Pinali siya nga A. Okay? For all. So, ang keyword is all. Manang binali nga A. Then, existential quantifier is read as there exist. There exist. Then the symbol for that is this. So, exist man ang keyword mo ng binali nga E ang iyahang symbol. So, all, binali nga A. If exist, binali na E. Okay? We write as in for all X, P of X, or P of X, and there exists X, P of X. Okay, so moingon gani kag for all X, P of X asserts P of X is true for every X in the domain. So, dapat i-mention juning unsa ang domain. Kay sa tanang X ana nga domain, that means, ug moingon kag for all X, so sa tanang X, ana nga domain, through si P of X. Okay, we will have examples later. Now, for existential quantifier, we say, there exists an X, or for some X, P of X. So, asserts that P of X is true for some X in the domain. So, dili tanan, bisag at least isa na ay tinuod nga mo kanang igo aning P of X. So, naay isa ka X nga true si P of X. Kaning isa ibabaw, dapat sa tanang X, true ni si P of X. Okay, so for the X in the domain. So, the quantifiers are said to bind the variable X in these expressions. Okay, so siya'y mag-determine nga para ba nas tanan or para sa uban. Okay, so let's have an example. So for all X, P of X is read as for all X. Ano? For all X, P of X, or for every X, P of X. Or P at X. So if P of X denotes X is greater than 0, and the U is the integers, then our for all X, P of X is false. Nganong makaingon man ta nga false na. So sa tanang ang ato ang magong U kay, or ang domain man nato are integers man. So dili man siya true kay how about negative 1? So negative 1 is not greater than 0. Negative 2, negative 3, and so on. So, niingon man siya diri nga for all X, unya ang all X kay apil man ning negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, and so on. So, false ning nga X is greater than 0. Okay. How about P of X denotes X is greater than 0, and u is the positive integers. Then, for all x, p of x is true. So, positive integers man. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. So, 1 ang true. Kay for all x man eh. For all x nga positive integers sa ihang domain. So, tanang positive integers greater than 0. Okay. Another. If p of x denote x is even and u is the integers, then for all x, p of x is false. So, integers man daw. Integers ang iyang u. So, miyon ka og 1 is even. Pulihan ni mo ang x og 1. Since 1 is an integer, so false na dayon ng nga 1 is even. O naapay 3, naapay 5, and so on. So, mauna nga, false ni siya ang for all x, p of x. Okay, so that is for our universal quantifier. We look at for all the values of x, kung true ba ning statement sa ato ang predicate. So, kani atong predicate, this symbolizes this statement. Okay? Now, for existential quantifier, we read this as for some x, p of x, or there is an x such that p of x, or for at least one x, p of x. Okay, so nga na siya pagbasa. Kani nga symbol. Okay? So example here, if p of x denotes x is greater than 0, atong u or atong domain is the integers. Okay, then there exists an x, p of x is true. It is also true if u is the positive integers. So, ang ato ra magipangita kay there exists an x. So, at least 1 na kay makit-an, matrue na dayon ni ato ang predicate. Diba? Kay there exists raman, so at least 1. So, nakay makit-an isa, o nakay isa ka integer like 2 greater than 0. So, there exists an x, p of x is already true na. As well as for positive integers, naman tay positive integer nga x is greater than 0. So, what if kanang 3, positive integer gihapon na. So, this becomes true. So, if p of x denotes x is less than 0 and u is the positive integer, okay, x is less than 0 man ang predicate nimo. Then, ang imuhang domain are positive integer. So, at dito ka makakuha sa 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And so on. So, gikan sa 1 and so on. Di man dyan na mahitabo nga less than 0 na siya kay positive man na. So, mo na nga false ni siya for x nga positive integers. Okay? Lastly, another example is if p of x denotes x is even and u is the integers, then there exists an x, p of x is true. So, kita ra kag 4 kintahay. So, pulinan nimong 4 diri sa x. 4 is even. Integer man ang 4. Di, true na dayon na. Kaya na naman kay isa ka x nga nagpa matuod nga tinuod ni siya nga statement. Integer man, pwede po kag negative 2. Negative 2 is even. Pares. Okay? Okay, so also have here the uniqueness quantifier. Okay, so the uniqueness quantifier, yung ani iyahang porma na ay exclamation, means that P of X is true for only for one and only one X in the universe of this course. Dapat isara ko, no? Unique. There is a unique X. So, okay na. This is commonly expressed in English in the following equivalent ways. There is a unique X such that P of X. There is one and only one X such that P of X. Singana siya pagbasa kanisiya. So there is a unique X such that P of X. Okay? So example, if P of X denotes X plus 1 equals 0, and U is the integers, then P, there is a unique X such that P of X. Isara ko no. Unsa man kahaang maka-answer ani nga X. That is negative 1. So, negative 1 plus 1 equals 0. So, wa na ilain pa nga kanang integer nga maka-answer ani nga predicate. Okay, so therefore, this is true. If unique lang ang kanana ay kuha ani nga statement. But if P of X denotes X is greater than 0, then there is a unique X P of X is false. Kay daghan mang integer nga greater than 0. So, dili ni siya inuod na statement. So, the uniqueness quantifier is not really needed as the restriction that there is a unique X such that P of X can be expressed as there exists an X, P of X, and for all Y, P of Y, if P of Y, then Y equals X. So, mauna siya uniqueness quantifier. Okay, so when the domain of this course is finite, we can think of quantification as looping through the elements of the domain. So, i-check nimo ang, di ba, sa kananay quantification, i-check nimo kada value sa domain. Una, ipuli nimo sa imuhang predicate. O, kung for all X, dapat at every P of X, dapat true si P of X. For every X, so kada visit nimo sa X nga naa sa domain, dapat true siya para ma-true ang imuhang for all X P of X. So if naa gani statement nga bisag isa ka X, ma-false ni si P of X, dili na ni true imuhang for all X P of X. Ma-false na dayon na. Kita na siya false na siya, di terminate na ang loop. Okay, nakita naman siya isa ka X nga ma-false imuhang P of X. Okay? So, to evaluate, there exists an X, P of X. Mulop na po ka sa tanang X nga naa sa imong domain. So, imuhang domain kay 1, 2, 3. Maura na imong domain. Maura na possible values of X. So, i-check nimo si 1. O si 1, ipuli na diri ni X. True ba ning P of X? So, if naay at least isa na makita nimo nga kanang naay true ni si P of X, di mo end na ka nining nakita na nimo nga okay siya. Pero nahuman na lang mag-loop, nahuman ng 1, 2, o 3, wag yapong kakita og mubagay ni P of X, makapatrue niya, Di false na imuhang P. There exists X, P of X. So even if the domains are infinite, we can still think of the quantifiers this function. But the loops will not terminate in some cases. Kintahay for all X, P of X, unya imong domain kay integers, infinite man na. Makita ramang gihapon nimo kung naay ma-true ba na or ma-false imong P of X. Example, si X is greater than 0. Kita man ka nga, for all positive integers, ang imuhang, so ang imuhang P of X is X is greater than 0. For all positive integers, P of X is true. Kay tanang positive integers greater than 0 man na. Bisan pag infinite pa ng positive integers nimo, di ba? Bawaan naman na nga greater than 0 din na sila. Magsugod sa 1 and to the infinity. Okay, so these are some properties of our quantifiers. So the truth value of there exists X, P of X, and the for all X, P of X depend on both the propositional function. Aray jud maagad sa propositional function. And on the domain U. Ug unsay possible values aning imong X. So example, if U is the positive integers and P of X is the statement, then statement na X is less than 2. So there exists X, P of X is true. Unsa kaha ang P of X nga makapatrue niya? For positive integers ha nga, oan. So, example nga, positive integer nga makapatrue ani is 1. Diba? But for all X, P of X is false. Kay naa may positive. For all may iyang gingon. So, lampurnas tanang positive integer. Unya kay ang 3 kay dili man less than 2. Ang 4 pod and so on. Positive integers man na sila. So, mo nang na false ni siya. Ang for all. Pero there exists, na may isa, 1. Less than 2. Okay siya. True ni siya. Then, if U is the negative integers, and P of X is the statement X is less than 2, negative integers, then both P of X, there exists P of X, and for all X, P of X are true. Kaya nga naman, na may na-exist greater than 2, no? Kaning 1. Ngan, no, negative. So, ang negative is katong negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. Less than man na sila 2. Nang true ning there exists. Naray at least isa. So, kita tag negative 1. Di, true ning there exists X. Unya, ningon pa siya for all X, P of X. So, since we're talking about negative integers, tanang negative integers kay less than 2 man. Less than 0 gani sila. So, mo nang true ni siya. Lastly, if U consists of 3, 4, and 5, mora na domain, and P of X is the statement X is greater than 2, then both there exists P of X, there exists X, P such that P of X, and for all X such that P of X are true. Kaya nga naman, ipuli ra nimo ning 3, 4, ug 5. So, 3 is greater than 2. 4 is greater than 2. 5 is greater than 2. So, naay at least isa nila nga greater than 2. Na kanipod silang tanan, 3, 4, ug 5, kay greater than 2 man mo nang for all X such that P of X kay true. So, but if the statement, but if P of X is the statement X is less than 2, O, ni atong universe of discourse or domain kay 3, 4, and 5. So, unsa naman? Less than 2 baning 3? Dili. 4? Dili. 5? Dili. So, false na siya. Why? Bisag isa nila nga less than x kaning 3, 4, o 5. Puros na sila greater than 2. Mo nang false ning there exists for all x. Okay, so now, we have here our precedence of quantifiers. So, the quantifiers for all and there exist have higher precedence than all the logical operators. Okay, so naa sila'y higher precedence sa tanang logical operators like and, or, implication, sa kanadiha. So for example, for all x, p of x, or q of x, unahon dyan mo nag-evaluate si for all x, p of x. O, kana sa imong unahon. Usa ka mag or q of x. Okay, so meaning for all x, p of x or q of x kani siya lahi na siya meaning ani. Okay, so unfortunately often people write for all x, p of x or q of x when they mean for all x, p of x or q of x nga giing ani. So lahi na sila meaning niya kani og kani siya. Okay, so that's all for now with quantifiers, and we will resume our discussion on our next video. Thank you everyone for listening.